Hi, I'm Sebastian, and I'm here with Ramesh.
Hello.
And we're here at Sun and Fun. There's going to be some background noise going on. They got a bunch of jets going on, but we're here at Sun and Fun at the Zenith booth, and we've got Ramesh's beautiful Zenith CH 750 Cruzer, and this is the first time it's been shown anywhere, right?
Yes.
So tell me a little bit about quickly who you are, and tell me a little bit about your airplane.
Yes, I'm Ramesh Nori. This is a Cruzer, obviously Zenith Cruzer, and I got just out of phase one about a month ago. It's been a long journey because of the work-life balance, but
Sure.
not bad. Fun,
And you built this from
but
a kit?
From a kit. First I started obviously with the rudder kit, and then slowly got all the pieces together, put together.
Right.
It runs on a Corvair engine, 2850.
That's right, a Corvair, and you
Yes.
built that yourself,
Yes,
correct?
yes.
Yeah.
And so far it's been phenomenal.
Great.
Yeah.
So, and one of the things you just shared with me and I didn't realize is you hand painted this airplane. So tell me
Yes.
about the paint job.
So about a year and a half ago, when I was about to reach the finishing line, I asked a couple of people on how much would a painting of this Cruzer goes with, and they quoted me 7-8 grand. I mean, my heart fell down from the pockets. There's no way we can do that. So then
and $7,000-8,000, from my understanding, that's kind of the average. You can spend a lot more money quite easily too.
And then the idea here is this is kind of a backcountry cruiser, kind of a Gary Motley's model. So I said, you know what, I live in Florida, so definitely I want to paint something. And while chit and chatting with my neighbors, one of them suggested, why don't you paint it with boat paint, aluminum plane,
so
marine grade paint. So I went with Interlux, that's the brand, Bright Line. Bright side is the paint model.
And how did you apply it then?
Simple. Lows, you get a 4-inch wide rollers. Take the foam roller, roll it in, and then it'll have a little bit of streaks here and there, and take a paintbrush, good one, and just touch it. That's it.
Yeah, that's wonderful.
Me and my kids together, it's their project. So here it is.
You're like Huckleberry Finn, get the kids, give them the paint.
And I love to supervise kids, so it worked well. And there it is.
Yeah, that's wonderful. And so, like you say, you flew it in here too, didn't you?
Yes,
that's awesome.
I asked my friend Vinny from New York to come over. This is the first time, there is a little hesitation of flying into an air show like this. It's a brand new plane, almost like just out of phase one, and this is its first outlet actually. So we flew in yesterday, day before the event started on a Monday. Beautiful with tailwinds. We did about 125 miles per hour coming in. Smooth as silk. Awesome.
And again, this is a Corvair powered airplane. You built the engine yourself.
Yes.
And which is awesome. And one more thing. You're continuing on to build now, right?
Yes.
So
I mean, the bug, it bites you hard. So Zenith, of course, became my bloodline. So here it is. I have a 650, that low-wing plane. That you can see something similar plane in the background. That's what I'm building. Finished with the rudder areas. Vertical stab, horizontal stab. Now starting on the wings, and I'm going to put a Corvair in it too.
So you're gonna have a high wing, low wing, and you're still pretty young. Maybe there's gonna be a third or fourth airplane.
I feel bashful now. Maybe an SD. I don't know, or a jet, Zenith jet.
Well, thank you so much, and thanks for sharing information about it. That's awesome.
It's amazing. The product is phenomenal. It's great. Yes, sir, I'm back.
Where's your plane?
Oh, sitting at home.
So, was it an adventure coming out here?
It is. I was just telling Herman, it's a bucket list come true.
Cool.
I need to build my plane. I need to fly to a show, and there you go.
That's awesome. So proud of you. That's excellent. How many hours total do you have on it?
On that, I have 46, 47, 48 hours.
48 hours, and you've already had it as major display at Sun and Fun. How cool. That's so fun.
And it needs a wash. So I'm like, next weekend,